real far away. We've got 2 birds gobbling. So we're trying to cut the distance to get set up on them. Was it 2? Yeah, he's on the ground. See him? Wait a minute. Whenever you can. Whenever you can. Yes, kill him. Got him. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Did you have a clear?
Huh?
Was he clear?
I think I don't have my glasses on, but hey, I got him. I got him flopped and everything. Go get him. There's another gobbler. Another gobbler. Did he run? All right, now I walked out here I was trying to get that other bird to come to me. He flew off. And I walked by and just got a glance at the spurs, and Chigger has not seen it yet, so I want to catch his excitement. All right, go for it, big boy. That's a nice bird, son. Just look at the spurs first. Look how big he is. Look at the spurs. Pull it up.
Whoa!
Told you. Hold on, let me get... Show me that beard again. I was looking at you. I was trying to see your excitement. Oh, that's a 10, 11-inch beard right there.
Look there.
Yeah, he smoked that rascal. Now, hold them spurs up, big boy. Look at there. My gosh, what a bird, Kevin. I bet that's a 4 or 5 year old. Hold it up so I can get a good look at it.
Oh my gosh.
What a morning. All right, let me zoom in. Look at that. You tell me that right there ain't a set of hooks.
This is the biggest set of hooks I've ever killed.
I was gonna say that you
We was on them, it happened right. Thank God. I knew this was gonna be a big bird. I knew I kept hearing 2. I kept saying that there were 2. But just one committed. And I was seeing he was blowing up. So I figured it was gonna be a good bird. He sounded like a good bird. You could tell the difference in a bird.
You could tell the difference.
And this one was just, oh my gosh. Thanks, Marty, for coming with me and filming this. Oh my gosh. We said right off the bat it was going to be a good day. It's a good day. Everything was just going to happen right.
What did we hear? 4 or 5 different birds this morning?
4 or 5 different birds this morning. Oh my gosh.
All right, I'm not zooming in on that, but let me here. I'm just gonna get a, just so people at home can, golly, look at that. I've never killed them that big.
I'm happy. That's my first bird, and big bird. I'm happy. If I don't kill another one this year, I'm happy with this one right here. Thank you, Lord.
I could tell when he was coming. You know, I kept saying, that's a big bird.
Hey, you gotta brush them leaves.
That's what brought him up there.
I'm telling you.
Oh, my gun's
That was
falling.
awesome. Awesome.
We'll call him Dr. Hook. Because he sure got him, ain't he? I bet that's close to what? You think it's 1.5 inches? It's close.
It's gonna be very close.
And people can say what they want to say, but now you can measure that and show. Look at that, man. I just want to catch it. Look at that.